So, your dishwasher stopped working, and you're staring at that Bosch Dishwasher E27 error on the screen. What now? Don't worry, let's break it down in simple terms. The Bosch Dishwasher E27 error is basically your dishwasher telling you, hey, I'm not getting enough power to run properly. It's a voltage issue. Most of the time, it means the voltage in your home's electrical network has dropped below 170 volts, which is just too low for the dishwasher to function safely. This could be caused by a temporary voltage dip, maybe too many appliances were running at once, or it could point to something more serious, like a problem in your home's wiring or a faulty power outlet. Here's what you can try. First, unplug the dishwasher and wait a few minutes. Then plug it back in and see if the error clears. If it doesn't, check if other appliances in the same outlet are working fine. A voltage meter can help too if you're comfortable using one to check if the outlet is giving the right amount of power. Still stuck with the Bosch Dishwasher E27 error? That's probably the time to call in a professional electrician. It might not even be the dishwasher's fault. It could be your electrical system that needs fixing. As for costs, if it's just a minor issue, like a power surge protector or replacing an outlet, you're looking at around $50, $100. But if the problem is in your home, SYRNA repairs could go up to $300 or more, depending on the complexity. Bottom line, the Bosch Dishwasher E27 error isn't something your dishwasher can fix on its own. But with a little troubleshooting and help if needed, you'll be back to clean dishes in no time.